In the cooling technique, qi is, remember, this is cooling, okay?
I-drone mo, Doc. Drone from deep to superficial level, Doc.
But deep to superficial. The fire mountain technique.
Bone mounting. From superficial to moderate dip.
Moderate to deep.
So when you use the fire mountain, you're actually putting more qi, putting more fire. Superficial to middle to moderate to deep. Which technique is considered the classical counterpart of fire mountain?
Cooling. Heavenly cooling.
That's the counterpart, no? Meaning to say the opposite.
Yeah.
So yung isa papunta ka sa ano, sa apoy, yung isa papunta ka ng heaven. Okay. Clearing internal heat involves drawing qi. How?
Pag-clearing, di
Moderate
ba?
to
Deep,
superficial.
moderate, superficial.
Yeah. Deep, moderate, superficial. According to the Lin Shu, needling too deeply may.
Cause reverse chi to move deeper.
Which factor does not affect needling depth?
Astrological constitution.
Which manipulation is most associated with reducing methods?
Rapid insertion, slow withdrawal.
Counterclockwise, needle rotation.
Counter. Cooling, reducing.
Fire mountain.
Fire, mountain. Yang. Deficiency cold syndromes.
So, lalagyan mo ng fire kasi kulang sa yang. Fire mountain manipulation emphasizes
Heavy thrusting, gentle lifting.
yes. Which sensation is commonly sought during fire mountain? What should
Warm and spreading heat.
heavenly cooling generally proceeds?
Ito yung deep, middle, superficial.
Which point is not a common heat clearing point?
Clearing point.
40.
Huh?
Kidney 3.
Tonifying yang at kidney 3. In
superficial, moderate, deep.
Tonifying yin at kidney 3, kidney 6, or kidney 9 involves?
Deep, moderate, superficial, progression.
Because you want to tonify the yin. Which point is traditionally called the gate of life?
D4.
A classic sign of yang deficiency.
Cold hands and feet. Cold hands and feet. Kapag yang deficiency.
Naisip ko night sweats ka. Yin deficiency. Sorry. Cold hands and feet. I'm sorry for the reaction. Sorry. Which is not a common yin tonifying point?
LA11?
Yes. Yin deficiency.
Yin. Dry mouth and night sweats.
Tonifying yin primarily focuses on
nourishing fluid and essence.
Tonifying qi uses lift and thrust. At which level?
Moderate.
Which point is described as the sea of qi?
Ren 6.
Point is considered one of the most important for tonifying qi.
Stomach 36.
The classical principle, qi arrives and is guarded, emphasizes what?
Retaining the needle after reinforcing manipulation.
Raising qi is indicated for?
Organ prolapse.
Which point plays a central role in raising qi?
220.
Spleen qi sinking is also known as, do you know this?
Dong qi shi shan.
The longest answer. Okay. Sending qi treats.
Rebellious qi.
Is most characteristic of stomach qi rebellion.
Lucia and vomiting.
Which point is commonly used for stomach qi rebellion?
PC6.
Lung qi rebellion commonly presents with?
Wheezing.
Which point is commonly used for lung qi rebellion?
Lang 7.
Liver yang rising may present with
Facial flushing and dizziness.
which point is commonly selected for liver yang rising?
Liver. Kidney 1.
Wow. Masakit yan. In TCM, yang qi should normally,
Descent.
Descend.
in TCM, spleen qi should normally,
Ascend.
Ascend.
ascending qi and raising qi are
Often used interchangeable.
a classic
Athlete.
principle for ascending qi. Tingnan natin.
Hula.
Ula. Get.
Wu Chong Yi Chi.
Ay, di ba? Congratulations, I guess. Di ba? Nagkaroon
Kasi
ng...
kasi diba, Chong Chi is up yung sa lung. And
Yes. Raising qi
But
by needling technique involves
squeezing skin upward during insertions.
kinukulong. Descending qi by needling technique.
Sending chi. Pressing
in
left
flush
around
down
middle.
Ascending qi by needling technique involves insertion
During exhalation.
Yes. Descending qi by needling technique involves insertion,
Insertion.
Inhalation.
inhalation. To direct qi, the practitioner may
Scrape the needle handle in the desired directions.
needling against the flow of the meridian is classically associated with
Against.
Draining.
Activation. Pagbabawas.
Which insertion angle is closest to transverse insertion?
10 to 20 degrees.
Perpendicular insertion.
90.
90.
Oblique insertion.
Pag-oblique. 30 to 60
30 to
degrees.
60.
Modern evidence suggests treatment outcomes are influenced more by
Point
Point
selection.
selection tissue stimulated.
which statement correctly contrasts fire mountain and heavenly cooling?
Contrast.
Fire mountain warms, heavenly cooling cools.
Finally, which combination correctly matches the treatment principle?
Fire mountain. Shallow to deep progressions.
Wow, congratulations, everyone. A few mistakes. Okay.